this one hurts the eyes, it's so shiny.
Put these up there and see what they look like.
One hour later.
It's been a long summer. I'll probably what'll happen is
You'll come here baited.
yeah. We'll put it up there. We gotta fight our battles here. You know, I mean, at some other time if it's years, I can always come up with.
Well, you know, what I've seen you've done since you moved here, you'll be out of shit to do by next week.
There's lots to do. We still got to build a home for the tractor. And...
Okay, what are we doing the week after next week?
Working 1 day a week or 2 days a week, it takes a while.
We've done quite a bit in just taking a little bit here and there.
Yeah, I know.
So you've done more on the land itself than anything.
Go 13 and 3/8.
13 and 3/8. Little too not wide or too wide?
No, I don't think so.
13 and a half.
Bring it up here and I'll mark it.
Yeah.
I only need one piece.
Yeah. Don't fall off that roof, eh?
Tell me again how the submersible got over here. interesting.
You get that corner piece on around the roof.
Well, we got to overlap it on this one. I don't think I'm working from the best side here.
No, I think maybe you should come down and be on a ladder, eh? Well, I'm standing on this ladder because it's tilting this to the right. I don't want you to fall. Can you turn it? There you go. Wow, that's quite the trim job.
Thinking ahead, eh? You're always dealing with consequences and not thinking ahead.
That's less complicated? No. Because you done it once? No?
Okay.